guys, today I'll show you how to make a 2-minute high bun. This is so handy for this summer. So we'll start by dividing all our hair into 2 equal sections. Now we want to grab one of those sections and we want to smooth it lightly using a comb, and we want to tie it with an elastic. I decided to use a clear elastic here. So you want to repeat on opposite side. You select your section left and you want to tie it, creating 2 pigtails like I'm showing. Now you want to knot these pigtails 2 times. Then you want to bring our sections back, crisscrossing them. You want to use a clear elastic on top to fix in place our construction. And by the way, if your hair is longer, you want to wrap it around your bun several times. Also, I decided to use 2-3 grips to fix it in place. And you're basically done. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to us on Hairstyles channel. Love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!